Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to understand something crucial about success. It isn't shrouded in mystery. Rather, it is a mindset, a mission, and a daily commitment to moving forward. Success is about having the audacity to declare, I refuse to remain stagnant today. I am destined for something greater. If you're in this room believing that success is unattainable for you, I'm here to tell you that you're mistaken. The first step is to actively choose to pursue it. Today, we make the shift from talking about our aspirations to taking deliberate action toward realizing them. The foundation of your success is a clear vision of your desired destination. If you lack clarity on where you're heading, how can you possibly anticipate arriving there? This is why it is vital to articulate your goals with precision and write them down. I'm not referring to vague intentions such as I want to be successful or I hope to improve. Instead, I'm speaking about specific, measurable, and time-bound objectives. This could mean aiming for a promotion at work, launching a side business, achieving a specific level of fitness, or mastering a new skill. Your goals must be detailed enough to create a vivid mental picture, allowing you to visualize the outcome. Writing your goals down transforms a mere thought into a binding commitment. When you document your aspirations, they transition from being abstract concepts to tangible realities. This written plan becomes your personal contract, one that you enter into with yourself. But remember, setting the goal is just the beginning. You must also take ownership of it. Your vision needs to resonate deeply with you, compelling you to move forward each day. This clarity provides essential direction, helps you channel your energy effectively, and keeps you grounded, even when life throws distractions your way. And believe me, distractions will inevitably arise. Life has a way of presenting obstacles that can hinder your progress. This is precisely why your goal must be something that excites you and ignites a passionate fire within. Your vision should not only represent a destination, but serve as your primary source of motivation. It is what propels you out of bed each morning, encourages you to push through challenging times, and inspires you to persist when the journey becomes arduous. When you possess a crystal clear understanding of your destination, you become invincible in your pursuit. You owe it to yourself to not only envision your dreams, but also to write them down and embark on the path to achieving them, one intentional step at a time. Now let's discuss the remarkable importance of cultivating a detailed success plan. Success is not forged through grand gestures or infrequent bursts of motivation. It is built through consistent, daily action, much like laying bricks to create a sturdy foundation for your dreams. Every single day holds significance, as each moment contributes to the overall structure of your success. It's not about waiting for that elusive, perfect moment or the ideal set of circumstances. Those may never materialize. What truly counts is how you choose to leverage the resources and opportunities you have at this very moment. This means showing up each day, even when motivation is low or the tasks feel burdensome. Taking small, intentional steps forward consistently is infinitely more impactful than sporadic, monumental efforts. So embrace the journey and let each day bring you closer to the life you envision. It's easy to feel daunted by the vastness of your goals, as if they loom over you like towering mountains. However, breaking them down into manageable daily actions opens the path ahead. Shift your focus to what you can actively do today that inches you closer to your ultimate destination. Perhaps it's carving out an hour to immerse yourself in a new skill, reaching out to a mentor who can offer guidance, or pouring extra effort into a project that ignites your passion. These seemingly small steps may appear insignificant at first, but over time, they accumulate and create a powerful momentum that propels you forward. Discipline, not fleeting motivation, is the true cornerstone of this transformative process. Motivation can sparkle and shine, but it often flickers away in challenging moments. Discipline, on the other hand, provides a steady anchor, rooting you firmly to your commitments. It's the bridge connecting your intentions with tangible accomplishments. It's the unwavering dedication to do the work even when no one is watching, when the conditions feel inconvenient, or when progress seems elusive. This relentless persistence is what distinguishes those who rise to success from those who simply dream of it. Every action you take is a declaration, a vote for the kind of person you aspire to become. With each small victory you achieve, you cultivate a reservoir of confidence in your ability to succeed. Over time, these incremental wins coalesce into monumental achievements. Never underestimate the remarkable power of consistency. By showing up for yourself each day and putting in the necessary effort, you set the stage for rewards that may be beyond your current imagination. Setting achievable goals. At the heart of success lies discipline. It may lack glamour and excitement, but it is the unwavering force that carries you through when motivation wanes. Think of motivation as a spark. It ignites your journey, but alone, it cannot sustain the fire that fuels your ambitions. Discipline is the steady fuel that keeps that blaze alive. It is the unwavering ability to tackle what needs to be done, even when your enthusiasm runs dry. This is what separates those who achieve their dreams from those who merely wish for them. Discipline manifests as a commitment to show up consistently, regardless of how you're feeling. It's the early mornings spent nurturing your goals while the world remains still and quiet. It's the choice to turn down distractions, embracing opportunities that align with your vision instead. Discipline involves making conscious decisions that benefit your future self, even if they demand sacrifices today. It's the unwavering commitment to adhere to your plan, to push through discomfort, and to persevere even when immediate results elude you. The truth is, discipline nurtures strength, not just in a physical or mental sense, but in cultivating a resilience that makes you unstoppable. It empowers you to delay gratification, to resist the seductive lure of the easy path, and to maintain unwavering focus on what truly matters. Discipline forges habits, and those habits are the building blocks of success. When you engage in an action consistently, it becomes an integral part of who you are. Over time, those small, disciplined actions can accumulate into remarkable achievements. It's crucial to recognize that discipline is a conscious choice you make every single day. It's not an inherent trait. Rather, it's a skill that you can develop over time. The more you practice it, the more robust it grows. And once you master the art of discipline, the possibilities before you are boundless. So make a commitment to yourself, embrace discipline, and observe the incredible transformation that unfolds in your life. Overcoming obstacles. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your journey to success. You've heard it said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. There's truth in that. If you're spending your time with people who doubt your potential, feed your insecurities, or hold you back, it's going to be tough to rise above that energy. On the other hand, when you're surrounded by people who challenge you, inspire you, and believe in you, your possibilities expand exponentially. You need to take a hard look at your inner circle and ask yourself if they're helping you grow or keeping you stagnant. It's not about cutting people out harshly, but about intentionally choosing to invest your time and energy in relationships that uplift you. Surround yourself with people who have a vision, who are pursuing their dreams, and who encourage you to do the same. Positive energy is contagious, and when you're around driven, focused individuals, it inspires you to rise to their level. Seek out mentors who have walked the path you're aiming for. Learn from their experiences, their successes and their failures. A good mentor will not only guide you, but will also push you to see the potential in yourself that you might overlook. Friends who challenge your comfort zone and hold you accountable are invaluable. At the same time, protect yourself from negativity. It's easy to get dragged down by criticism or doubt, but remember, not everyone will understand your vision, and that's okay. You're not here to please everyone. You're here to fulfill your purpose. Build a circle of allies who support you, challenge you, and celebrate your victories with you. With the right people by your side, your success becomes inevitable. The power of consistency, embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. Failure is not the enemy of success. Rather, it is an essential component of the journey toward achieving greatness. Many individuals possess a crippling fear of failure that hinders them from taking the necessary risks to reach their potential. However, it's imperative to recognize this crucial truth. Failure is neither final nor fatal. It is feedback. It serves as a lesson wrapped in an experience, revealing what doesn't work so you can navigate your way to discovering what truly does. The world's most successful individuals didn't shy away from failure. They actively embraced it, gleaning insights and wisdom from each misstep. When pursuing a significant goal, setbacks are an unavoidable part of the process. Plans may veer off course, and challenges can arise that seem insurmountable. Instead of allowing failure to be a stopping point, you should allow it to shape your journey. Take the time to analyze what went wrong, extract meaningful lessons, and apply those insights as you forge ahead. Growth often occurs in these moments of reflection and adjustment. Indeed, every remarkable success story is also a narrative of perseverance in the face of adversity. One invaluable skill that you can develop is adaptability. Life is inherently unpredictable, and the path to your goals will seldom be a straight line. Being willing to pivot, reassess, and try again is crucial to your success. Your capacity to learn from experiences and adapt will significantly influence how far you can go. When obstacles present themselves, it is vital to shift your perspective. Rather than viewing them as roadblocks, consider them opportunities to strengthen your character, increase your knowledge, and enhance your resilience. Failure can be a powerful teacher. It humbles you, cultivates patience, and fortifies your commitment. When you learn to view failure as a mentor instead of a nemesis, you become emboldened. You take decisive action, fully aware that even if you stumble, you will rise again, stronger than that moment before. With this mindset, every failure becomes a stepping stone on the path to success, as long as you keep progressing. Final thoughts and call to action. Your words hold transformative power. They can genuinely shape your reality. What you articulate influences your mindset, actions, and ultimately your results in profound ways. Too often, individuals talk themselves out of their aspirations even before they take the first step. Statements like, "I don't think I can do this," or "What if I fail?" can become barriers to progress. These thoughts seep into your subconscious, dictating your beliefs and actions. If you consistently voice doubt, negativity, or indecision, you're laying the groundwork for failure. Conversely, when you begin to speak with confidence and conviction, everything shifts. Declare your success before it unfolds. Use language that affirms your abilities and potential. Speak as if your dreams are already in motion, as if your goals are not just reachable, but inevitable. Say, "I will succeed. I am capable. I possess everything necessary to bring my dreams to fruition." Positive affirmations are not mere feel-good mantras. They have the power to rewire your brain, redirecting your focus from limitations to possibilities. When you articulate your goals with unwavering conviction, your actions start to align with your words. This alignment fosters a growth in confidence and propels you to take concrete steps that reinforce the belief you've instilled within yourself. Moreover, vocalizing your aspirations makes them feel tangible, instilling within you a sense of accountability. There's immense power in verbally sharing your dreams, especially when you do so with those who offer support and encouragement. Your words, infused with confidence and clarity, also influence how others perceive you. Confidence attracts, inspires belief, and fosters trust in others. This can open doors, create opportunities, and draw positive energy into your life. Speak boldly and positively. Watch as your life begins to align with the success you declare. Embrace the transformative journey ahead, guided by a steadfast belief in your vision. As Winston Churchill wisely stated, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Let this serve as your motivation. Stay inspired, keep moving forward, and never lose faith in your aspirations.